Okay, so here we are back at the expanding cards. The goal is this here. You click on them and they just expand. The rest, they get smaller. So right now what I have to do is, where was it? Somewhere over here. Set preset for first image being opened on load. So what happens right now is that, where's the, I need to find the code. So it's right here. So let me first I'll comment it out. And then we'll see what happens. If it loads. Okay, so they all load at, small. And then once I start clicking on them, then they're, they get smaller or whatever. But what I, yeah, so what I want to happen is that they all load up. But I have to do it somewhere in here because, let's see. Unload. What about, now that I thought of unload. I don't know if it's going to work. It's because this has to, this right here. Image. This right here has to process first. Let me try something. Large image. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna try something real quick. So I'm gonna do window. Bro, lagging for some reason. Unload. Then let's do a function. So unload, let's just say console log loaded. Alright, let's see what happens here. Loaded. So first, because it doesn't read it till later, right? Where's first at? First. There it is. So that happens. Then that happens. Okay. Let me do one more test. I want to make sure that all of this loads. Because I'm gonna be using these elements here. So obviously, like if they're not loaded, can't use them. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a console log and we'll say for loop. We'll just say for. And then for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. Alright, let's go ahead and, so what needs to happen is for, then loaded. For, then loaded. Okay, cool. Perfect. So on load, I'm gonna go ahead and, wait, what happened? Ah, damn it. I copied the thing over here. It was small images. And then it was, what do small images do? Small images. It grabs all of them and then it does style display none. Let's do one at a time. First, let's do small images. Okay, it works. Small images, and then we'll do large image. Large image, it'll be the first picture, so it'll be div ID. What does it take in? It takes an ID or large image. Okay, it takes in a selector. Alright, so we'll do template. No, we don't need template. We'll do pick one. Alright. There it is. Perfect. Unload. Kind of laggy though, not? A little bit? It's a little bit laggy. It's because it could be because of the pictures. They're pretty HD. I could lower them just so they could load faster. Lower the, um, the whatever, the resolution. And then so after that, just probably get a little gap, somewhat of a gap. We can do, so if they're flex, I need to find my style right here. Style, content, display flex, content. Let me see how everything's laid out. Actually, I'm gonna go down here, go back in here. No, well, there's nothing in there. Is it, what is this, flex? Content, display flex. So that's what happens there. Display flex, display flex. Let's take away in gap. I'm about to do some math here. Let's take away one width. So now we have, let's say we have, okay, so I finished this. So we have 90 left in total, right? Because this is 10%? It's 10%, right? So we have 90 divided by 90 divided by, how many parts should this have? Right now it has, out of 5, damn. Okay, so divided by 10, and then from 10 we'll take 6 of those. Alright, let's go here. So the content, it'll be each div has a width of, oh, it's 20. It's 20. Each div. Damn, bro. I would do that over here in scripts. 10% divided by 10. 90 divided by 10, that would just be 9, right? And then 9 times 6, that would be 54. Alright, let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, now all I need to do here is justify content space between. Now that we have some space. There it is. Lastly, to finish off this series, maybe, hopefully, to finish off this series, we can do some transitions. And so for transitions, let's say we can do, what would it be, to the div? I think it would be for the div. Yeah, let's try it. Let's do it on the div. So it'd be transition. I'm just gonna put transform. I don't even know if that works, because I don't have a transform. So I'm gonna do duration. I'll do like 300 milliseconds, and then we'll do ease in, ease out. Actually, yeah, we'll do ease in, ease out. No delay. Alright. Let's see how this works. There it is. Well, that ends the videos there. Let's kind of, I mean, we can do a little bit more. Let's do, what else should we add? That's it. That's it though, right? Like that's, I mean, we did it. That's it. That's nice. I've never made a anything like this. So it's a first for me. I can't think of any other effects, so we're just going to keep it simple like that for now. And that concludes this series of 10 or 11 videos. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day, and I hope you guys learned something from this. Peace out.